What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial on this channel. This time we talk about how you can turn off mail categories on your iPhone. Now, this is something which has been added quite recently on the iPhone with the latest iOS. Obviously, you don't need to update if you are aware that you don't want this feature, but eventually you will need to. Essentially, the way that it works is that inside of the mail application, we now have the sort of categories, as they say. And in order to turn them off, you need to tap on the three dots in the top right corner, which is going to appear or just show you like more settings for it. And there is like a page or like two buttons to pick from, and one is called categories, the other one is called list view. So if you switch to the list view, you can essentially just turn off the categories altogether and it should get the job done, right? So that's how you can switch it. Obviously, if you want to just come back to categories again, then the three dots button one more time and you can switch back, right? But you can also just change a couple of different settings as well. So it is up to you to figure it out, but this is the most basic way how you can turn it off. Keep in mind that you can still use a third-party mail provider and you don't have to stick with this one if you don't want to, but that's how it works. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.